Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel at Cherokee765, the home of classic cars, rare engines, and timeless automotive legends. If you love the roar of old engines, the beauty of vintage designs, and the history behind powerful machines, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and stay tuned till the end as we dive deep into one of the most iconic off-roaders ever made, the 1983 Jeep Cherokee SJ. The Jeep Cherokee SJ 1983 wasn't just another SUV, it was a true symbol of rugged adventure and freedom. Born from the legendary Jeep Wagoneer platform, the Cherokee SJ represented a perfect mix of American power and wilderness spirit. It was a time when SUVs weren't about luxury interiors or touchscreen displays, they were built for power, endurance, and conquering the toughest terrains. And that's exactly what the Cherokee SJ delivered, year after year. The 1983 Cherokee SJ came with a strong, boxy design that screamed toughness. It had that pure old-school Jeep attitude, square headlights, heavy-duty bumpers, wide fenders, and the signature 7-slot grille that every Jeep lover recognizes instantly. Every line and angle of this vehicle was designed to show power and function. It wasn't made to impress on city streets, it was built to rule the wild. Under the hood, the 1983 Cherokee SJ offered some serious muscle. Most models were equipped with AMC's 360 cubic inch V8 engine, capable of producing around 175 horsepower and 285 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power made it perfect for towing, off-roading, and long-distance adventures. It also came with a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers control and confidence no matter where the road, or trail, led. The Cherokee SJ was one of the first vehicles to truly define what we now call a sport utility vehicle. Long before the modern SUVs became family haulers, the Cherokee SJ was proving its worth in mud, mountains, and deserts. It was a favorite among hunters, ranchers, and outdoor lovers who needed something reliable, strong, and capable of taking them anywhere. Inside, the Cherokee SJ was simple but solid. The dashboard had big analog gauges, rugged switches, and a steering wheel that felt like it could last forever. The seats were tough but comfortable, built to survive the dust, heat, and challenges of off-road life. In those days, comfort was about reliability, and the Cherokee SJ had plenty of that. One of the coolest things about the 1983 Cherokee SJ was its 4x4 system. Jeep had already earned its reputation in World War II with unstoppable military vehicles, and that same DNA was alive in this Cherokee. It had excellent ground clearance, solid axles, and a suspension system that could handle rocks, mud, and snow like a champ. Whether you were driving through a forest trail or climbing a mountain path, the Cherokee SJ was ready for it all. Even today, more than 40 years later, the 1983 Jeep Cherokee SJ holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and off-road fans. Its bold design, mechanical simplicity, and raw power make it a favorite for restoration projects. When you see one of these beasts fully restored, you instantly feel the nostalgia of a time when cars were built with heart, steel, and purpose. So if you ever spot a 1983 Jeep Cherokee SJ on the road or in a car show, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and spirit it represents. It's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of American off-road history. Thank you for watching this video on the 1983 Jeep Cherokee SJ. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to Cherokee765 for more amazing stories about classic cars and powerful machines. Leave a comment below and tell us which legendary car you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.